Hey there, my name is Tobin, and I'm a Kaseya consultant at Proval Technologies. In this video, we'll be discussing a trick you can use to use a single procedure in cases where each org needs a specific installer. Let's say you have a procedure that cannot utilize a single MSI across multiple organizations. Normally, you would need to create a procedure per organization and point to the correct MSI file within Managed Files. But by using the statement getVariable and then setting the variable type to SQL view data, you can call the vAgent configuration slash group name table to return the machine's reverse group ID. We can later call the reverse group ID by calling the variable within the write file statement using pound org pound. As long as the folder and file exist in the location indicated, the file will be retrieved and written to the location specified in the procedure. To easily find a machine's reverse group ID, head over to the Agents module and enable the audit field called Reverse Group ID. And this is where you will find that reverse group ID. And this is the name of the folder that will need to exist inside of managed files in order to call that file. Thanks for watching our video. We post new videos weekly to share our knowledge of VSA, Automate, and other RMMs. Let us know if there's a topic you'd like us to cover. If you gathered knowledge from this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great day.